The product lifecycle, PLC, is a vital concept for strategic business decisions. It outlines a product's journey from market introduction to removal. Understanding PLC stages aids in crafting effective advertising, pricing, and market expansion strategies, ensuring informed decisions for product management and resource allocation. The introduction stage of the product lifecycle follows research and development. Here, sales are slow and marketing costs are high. Strategies like price skimming, penetration pricing, and influencer partnerships are crucial. Examples include Tesla's Roadster and the iPhone, which used premium pricing and innovative marketing to establish market presence. In the growth stage, products experience increasing sales and market share. Key strategies include brand differentiation and market expansion. Real-world examples are streaming services and smartphones, which thrived by expanding globally and enhancing features. This stage is crucial for establishing a strong market presence and leveraging economies of scale. In the maturity stage, market saturation and stabilized sales define the landscape. Companies focus on product differentiation and market segmentation to maintain competitiveness. Coca-Cola exemplifies this with innovative packaging, while personal computers target specific segments like gaming and business. This stage demands strategic adjustments to sustain profitability amidst intense competition. In the decline stage, sales decrease and the market contracts. Strategies include harvesting, divesting, and rejuvenation. Examples are VCRs, typewriters, and Nokia's mobile phones. Companies must decide whether to maximize remaining profits, sell off assets, or innovate to restart the cycle. Effective management here can mitigate losses and potentially extend product relevance. Product life cycle management extends a product's lifespan through continuous market analysis and strategic marketing reallocation. Effective product life cycle management maximizes returns on investment by adapting strategies to each life cycle stage, ensuring products remain competitive and profitable. This approach is crucial for businesses aiming to optimize resource allocation and strategic planning. The International Product Lifecycle, IPLC, highlights how products experience different lifecycle stages globally. For instance, smartphones are mature in the United States, but growing in developing countries. Fast food chains like McDonald's expand in emerging markets, while electric vehicles grow in Europe and China. Understanding IPLC aids in strategic global market expansion. Understanding the product lifecycle, PLC, empowers businesses to allocate resources wisely and make informed decisions. Balancing mature products with new innovations is key. The product lifecycle framework is invaluable for strategic planning, ensuring companies remain competitive and adaptable in a dynamic market landscape.